Sino-sino nga ba ang mga players to watch para sa Chinese Taipei sa kanilang laban kontra Gilas Pilipinas ngayong February window ng FIBA Asia Cup Qualifiers 2025? Well, tingnan natin sino ba yung mga players to watch, no? Base sa ating mga nakalap na statistics na readily available sa FIBA website. At ito yung mga players na dapat nating abangan, no, sa laro ng Gilas Pilipinas at ng Chinese Taipei sa araw ng Huwebes. At una na dyan, ang number 1 player na abangan ay yung player na may jersey number 1, si Muhammad Al-Bashir Gadiaga. Interesting story, no? Itong player na ito ay of Senegalese descent, no? Yung tatay niya Senegalese, ang nanay niya ay I believe is American, pero lumaki siya sa Taiwan. And since 2023, he has been classified as a local. So hindi po siya naturalized player, siya po ay isang local. And itong batang to 6'2" ang height, and naglalaro siya sa Japan V-League, no? So that means talagang high caliber itong player na to na si Gadiaga. And ang expectation natin sa kanya is he will hit his shots from the outside. In 2 games with Chinese Taipei, ang average niya 16 points. Although he hasn't, sa percentage wise, hindi ganun kaganda, 4 of 13 from threes. Obviously meron tong lisensya, no, na tumira sa labas, and he's also averaging 2.5 rebounds sa FIBA Asia Cup qualifiers, no. So yan po si Muhammad Al-Bashir Gadiaga. And another player to watch, no, para sa Chinese Taipei, itong si Brandon Gilbeck, no, jersey number 34, 7-footer po ito. Ito yung naturalized player talaga, no, ng Chinese Taipei, American descent. 7-footer po itong si Gilbeck. Yan, ang average niya is 11.5 points and 8.5 rebounds, no, for for Chinese Taipei. And more importantly, yung 6 blocks na average ni Brandon Gilbeck. So that means siya yung magiging rim protector ng Chinese Taipei, no. So watch out for Brandon Gilbeck in their match against Gilas Pilipinas ngayong Huwebes, no. And then also for sa local side naman, ito si Cheng Lin ang abangan. 8.8 point average dito sa FIBA qualifiers, but he had a good game against Gilas Pilipinas, no, nung February 2024 window. Ang naipuntos niya is 13 points. So another player to watch, itong si Cheng Liu ng Chinese Taipei. So how important is this game? Well, for the Philippine side, in a way, no bearing na to. But ang gusto ng Gilas is as much as possible have a better finish, best record possible, dahil magkakaroon po yan ng effect dun sa magiging drawing of lots, no, pagdating sa FIBA Asia Cup qualifier. So the better chance, mas better ang chance kung kunwari maganda yung record mo, unbeaten kaya for example, mas may chance na in a way yung makakalaban mo for the main tournament ay hindi gaanong kalakasan yung makakalaban mo, at least sa group stage, no. So yun actually yung at stake dito, no. A better chance of a favorable draw pagdating sa FIBA Asia Cup qualifiers. For Chinese Taipei naman, well, kung titingnan mo yung standings, is ito nga, no, Chinese Taipei at 3rd place sa Group C, or sorry, Group B ito, Group B, sorry. Group B po ito. Buburahin ko na, basta ito, Group B po ito. And the Chinese Taipei at 3rd with 1 and 3. Pasok na nga po ang Philippines and New Zealand sa FIBA Asia Cup qualifiers, but may bearing pa ito para sa Chinese Taipei dahil ang pinaglalabanan po nila yung 3rd place finish. Kasi po, kung sino po ang magta-3rd place dun sa 6 na grupo, ay lalaro pa po sa isang qualifying tournament to determine kung sino pa po yung papasok sa FIBA Asia Cup qualifiers. I don't have the numbers right now kung ilan po yung papasok pa, no. But again, there will be 6 teams who will battle for 4 slots pa po, no, for the final tournament ng FIBA Asia Cup. So yun pa po yung paglalabanan ng Chinese Taipei and even Hong Kong. May pag-asa pa po silang pumasok sa FIBA Asia Cup, pero dadaan pa po sila sa isang qualifying tournament between the 6 third place teams, no, after the end of the qualifier. So yun pa po yung hinahabol ng Chinese Taipei, yung third place para sa kanilang group, yung Group B. So importante pa po itong laban na to for Gilas Pilipinas as well as mas lalo na para sa Chinese Taipei. So abangan po natin yung larong ito, Chinese Taipei against Gilas Pilipinas sa Taipei ngayong Webes, February 20, 2025, and we are hoping for the best result possible para sa ating Gilas Pilipinas. Again, ako po si Ruben Terrado ng Spin.ph. Just subscribe to our YouTube channel and we will try our best na magkaroon ng recap ng game between Gilas Pilipinas and Chinese Taipei later tonight. Magandang araw po sa inyo lahat.